In this video, we will show you how to install and set up your Lorex 2K battery doorbell in wired mode. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the 2K battery doorbell, mounting bracket, horizontal 15 degrees wedge, vertical 5 degrees wedge, USB power cable, extension wire, a pair of connecting wires, 3 wire caps, release pin, 2 anchors and 2 screws, a 1/4-inch drill bit for the anchors. On the front of the doorbell, there's the camera, IR lights, PIR sensor, light sensor, microphone, smart security call button. On the back, you'll find the mounting bracket release tab, USB charging port, power terminals, QR code. On the side, the reset button and micro SD card slot. On the bottom, the nightlight and speaker. Setting up and charging the doorbell. First, fully charge your doorbell using the included USB cable. A 5-volt 2-amp power adapter is recommended. This is not included with the doorbell. This could take up to 3 hours. When it's fully charged, the call button will turn solid blue. Download the Lorex Home App from the App or Google Play Store. Add the doorbell to the Lorex Home App by following the in-app instructions. Press the reset button to initiate the onboarding process. Wait for the audio prompts and the call button will flash blue. The doorbell requires 8 to 24 volts to operate. If you don't have this voltage, you will need a transformer. Installing the doorbell. First, turn off power at the breaker. Remove the existing doorbell and bend the wires so they don't fall through. You have the option to use the included horizontal or vertical wedge to achieve optimal coverage. If you're using the angled wedge, align wedge to the mounting bracket according to the direction you want the doorbell to face. Ensure the arrow in the mounting bracket is oriented correctly. Use the included screws to secure the wedge and bracket together. For concrete, stucco, and brick, use the included drill bit to drill holes for the anchors. Insert the anchors before securing bracket and wedge with screws. To connect the doorbell to the wiring from your home, use the connecting wires. If the connecting wires are not long enough, use the included extension wire instead. Align the ends of the wires from your house and wires from the doorbell. Place the wire cap over them and twist until it bottoms out. Loosen the power terminal screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Slide the ends of the extension wire underneath the power terminals and retighten the screws. Place the doorbell into the mounting bracket. You'll hear a click when it's secured. If you choose to install without the angled wedge, proceed to secure the mounting bracket directly to the surface. To remove the doorbell from the bracket, hold onto the doorbell and insert the release pin into the hole on the top of the mounting bracket until the release tab is reached. This completes the installation for the Lorex 2K battery doorbell. Thank you for watching.